Guys, welcome back to Funky Monkey. Today I'm going to show you what I got. You might have just seen it, but I'm going to show you what I got. My mum got me it. So yeah, let me just show you. Oh, a fidget cube. So it's that colour. Say hi. Hi. So what you do, for some you can press that down, click that, spin that, and click those. And some of them, you only get like 3 that are quiet clicks, so you can't hear them. Like 2, maybe 3 that do click. So I've got, and you can get ones that all work. So you can get one. So I've got the one that all works. Look, I press all the buttons. And I got that roll one, where I just roll it. Oh yeah, there's a new fidget spinner coming out. It's like, let me just show you. That's what I got. So, you know, it's like it's same as a fidget spinner, but in the middle there's like these little tiny balls. So you can get them in black.
And this is Mackenzie's fidget spinner.
Don't put it back. So be sure to check these out on Amazon. You can get them. This is what they do. That one is that one. Spin. Where's spin? Is that one. Flip is that one. Slide is the top one. Roll is that one. And breathe is that one. I don't know what breathe is for. Do you know?
I think breathe is for to breathe your finger on it.
Looking like. Yeah, I did this on my fidget cube at school. She was like, "Don't you put it anywhere near your mouth. It could have germs on it." You can get them in different sizes.
And you can get some this big, that big, any size you want.
Oh yeah, I'm getting a new fidget spinner soon. It's a golden one, isn't it?
Yeah.
£1. So, I'm going to put it away. Thanks for watching.